So once your Terabox application is installed on your computer, to access out the files within it and to manage out files on your computer by using it, you need to go ahead and sign in to it. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and double click on Terabox right here, just like this, or you can even go around over here onto Windows and then access it out by typing Terabox right here, just like this. And you need to wait for a while. And then your Terabox will be loaded out just like this. And here you can go ahead and sign in using these social media accounts, or you can simply go ahead and type in the email address. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and type in my email address right here just like this that I used to sign in, that is to sign up for my account in Terabox. And I'm going to go ahead and type in my password as well. So just like this, let me just go around over here and then type in the password and hit login. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that you are in Terabox now, and you can go ahead and close it right here just like this. You see the notification right here. You will be able to see the details of Terabox. You will be able to access this out right here just like this. And if I were to go ahead and expand this, you can see that you see a similar UI as the web version. So you can go ahead and access out the cloud right here, and you can even go ahead and see the Terabox option right here and see how many files are being uploaded or downloaded right here just like this. So this is how you can go ahead and then sign in onto your desktop app in Terabox to start managing your files from the app itself. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.